In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in Dropbox with a comprehensive 2025 tutorial. Whether you're new to Dropbox or just need a refresher, this is the video for you, so let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Dropbox account. If you're not already signed in, head over to the Dropbox website and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll notice the top navigation bar. This is your gateway to finding anything you need within Dropbox. The key player here is the search bar, conveniently located right at the top. Let's focus on using that to its full potential. Click into the search bar and you'll have the option to type in various search queries. You can enter a specific file or folder name if you know exactly what you're looking for. But it doesn't stop there. If you're hunting for something within documents, say a keyword in a Word document, a PDF, or even a Google Doc, Dropbox lets you search within the content of these files. This feature is particularly useful when you can't remember where you've saved a document but remember what it contains. Additionally, you can search for people, which is handy if you're trying to locate shared files or folders from specific collaborators. As you type, Dropbox will start generating and displaying your search results instantly. You'll find them neatly categorized into groups like files, folders, and shared content, making it easy to navigate through your options. Now, here's where you can refine your search results further, especially if you're getting a long list of options. You can use filters to zero in on what you really need. If, for example, you're looking for a document, you might want to filter the results by file type. Choose from PDFs, images, videos, and more to narrow it down to exactly what you want. You can get even more specific with the modified date filter if you know the rough time frame of when the file was last updated. This is particularly useful if you have a lot of files and need to find something recent. Lastly, you can filter based on who owns the file or who it's shared by. This is especially beneficial for team projects or collaborative efforts. For those of you using a Dropbox Professional Team or Advanced plan, there's an advanced feature that you can take advantage of, OCR, short for Optical Character Recognition. This feature allows you to search inside scanned PDFs and images, which is an incredible tool for anyone dealing with large volumes of such documents. With these tips, you should be able to find exactly what you're looking for efficiently and effortlessly. Searching in Dropbox doesn't have to be daunting. With practice, these steps will become second nature. Thanks for watching and happy searching.